Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to get two-factor authentication on crypto. First, ensure you have an authenticator app downloaded on your mobile device, such as Google Authenticator or Authy. This app will generate time-sensitive codes needed for logging in and performing transactions, significantly enhancing your account's security. It's a simple yet powerful step to safeguard your digital assets. Next, open your crypto. App and tap on the settings icon, usually found in the top left corner. From there, select Security and then Two-Factor Authentication. The app will then present you with a QR code and a manual setup key. Keep this screen open as you move to the next step. Now, switch to your Authenticator app. Choose to add a new account, either by scanning the QR code displayed on your crypto, app, or by manually entering the setup key. Once added, your Authenticator app will immediately start generating a new 6-digit code every 30 seconds. This code is essential for verification. Finally, return to your crypto. App. Enter the current 6-digit code from your Authenticator app into the designated field. Confirm the activation, and you're all set. Your crypto account is now secured with two-factor authentication, providing a robust defense against unauthorized access. Remember to keep your Authenticator app safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.